Hi friends, it's me Mounir. Hey! Well, I'm going crazy because of... what do you mean? So I've decided I want to change my hair color. Pink. So I bought this L'Oreal Colorista hashtag pink hair, and I want to use it on my hair. But only the uncolored parts, the light blonde, because you can't really color darkened hair or dark hair, sorry. And my roots have outgrown and my blonde is getting a bit orangey in some places. So I need to do something with it. So I went with pink. Okay. So I've already put my gloves on. Now I'm gonna just plop on the color and just, as they said here, plop it into my hair. That's a cute pink though. No. God. So apparently this is a washable color, which means that it washes out after 2 or 3 washes. Hopefully, because I don't want to have pink hair for a long time. I'm gonna go back to work at the end of the month and I can't have pink hair at work. They said that you should work it very well into your hair. Maybe I'm gonna put some more. Maybe add a second glove on. I forgot to put a gloss on. By the way, if you want to see this makeup look, just click on the screen. So this is applied. I'm gonna have to wait 20 minutes, wash it out, and I'll be right back. I'm back, y'all. It's really homemade though. I have my glasses on. I can't see, man. Okay. So it's really homemade, and I mean it caught up on some places, not others. You see, for example, here it's still a bit blonde, but I kind of like it. I love it. It's been so long since I've had pink hair. I've had pink hair last time when I was a lot younger. So, what do you think? No, keep it. I don't care. I like it. So, my opinion on the Colorista washout blah blah color, I don't know. Don't do it at home. So, with this, our video for today is done. Like, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.